In this video, we'll take a look at how we can edit employee direct deposit information in isolved. This is a very important video for you to watch because at Paper Trails, due to potential fraud, we do not change employee direct deposit information on their behalf. Either the employee has to change their own direct deposit information through myhrstuff.com, or you as the employer can change it in this admin view. To do this, in the left menu bar under Employee Management, click Employee Pay and Direct Deposit. We'll click on the employee we want to change the information for. Here we can see the current direct deposit set up for this employee. To delete or edit a direct deposit, we can do so here on the right. I'm going to delete this one. We can see it disappears. I'll edit this one for $50 and I'll change it to $100. I'll hit save right at the top. We can see the updated here. Now to add a new one, we'll click add new at the top and we'll put the appropriate information here. When we're done, we can hit save. And now we can see the new direct deposit has been added. And that's how you easily change your employee's direct deposit information in isolved. Stay tuned for more isolved tutorial videos.